Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for Taurus. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. By the way, pwede pa kayong magpa-reading sa akin ng personal. Mag-inquire ka na lang doon sa akin TikTok, okay? Message mo ako doon. Okay, pag di ako naka-reply, ibig sabihin, either close na siya kasi hindi naman ako lagi nagpapa-personal reading talaga. No, marami po kasi akong pinagkakaabalahan, so medyo busy po talaga akong tao. So this is for the sign of Taurus. Check your sun, moon, rising, Venus, Jupiter, Taurus. Let's start your reading. You do have here the Palace of Swords and the Wheel. Taurus, nakakita tayo ng big change for you. And you do have here the Moon. The Moon is talking about your intuition, yung pakiramdam mo. And I feel like you need to listen. You need to listen, you need to, kailangan mong gamitin ngayon yung lakas ng iyong pakiramdam. And maaaring matulungan ka ng pakiramdam mo na yan. Okay? If you feel like there's something wrong, no, sa isang situation, maaaring talagang high chance na may mali, na high chance na tama ang hinala or yung pakiramdam mo, yung kutob, yung kaba. Now is the right time na paniwalaan mo ito dahil maaaring may malaking pagbabago ang mangyari sa'yo. Tell me, what do we have here for the sign of Taurus, please? Messages for the sign of Taurus. You do have here the nine of coins, the knight of coins, ace of cups, and the page of wands. I feel like someone is coming to your life. May paparating sa buhay mo ngayon. It could be a new person. Okay? And I feel like there's a communication na paparating sa'yo mula dito sa taong to. This could be a new person with the love interest na involved dito, no? And this person could show up as a friend na parang makakatulong mo or makakasama mo, mabibigyan ka ng advice regarding money. This person is coming to your life. And nakikita natin with the 7 of coins, itong person nito is already thinking, no? Na meron siyang mga something ngayon na parang kaya niya or willing siyang ibigay and walang hesitation eh. This person with the ace of coins wants to have a new beginning with you. Gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning with you. And with the two of cups, not only new beginning. Sa una lang lumalabas siya as pera, new beginning sa pera. Pero it shows here like a relationship or gusto niya ng partnership with you, relationship with you. No, yun talaga yung gusto niya. Pero for now, ayaw niyang mawala yung connection. So, gusto niya magkaroon ng connection sa inyo. Maybe through money. Dahil maaaring ito yung maging daan para mas mapalapit siya sa'yo. You do have here the 5 of cups. I will not take this. Masyado siyang marami. But for some of you, the 5 of cups is showing us your emotions. Currently, you're not happy. You're malungkot, stress, no? Maybe you have lost a lot of something here. Maybe may kinalaman sa money, may mga nawala, may mga nasayang, may mga, for some of you, ninakaw or nakuha sa'yo. The four of coins is here, six of coins is here. So, nakikita natin may mga taong tumutulong or may taong, yun nga, itong person nito is showing as someone na gustong tumulong sa'yo financially. And itong person na ito wants to have this connection with you. And meron siyang mga gustong ibigay. And maybe, actually, nag-iisip na siya dahil maaaring may iba siyang pinaglalaanan noon. Pero hindi niya lang muna ito. Maybe it has something to do with him or her. Disregard na lang kung babae or lalaki ha. When I say him, it could be her. Okay? So, ayun na. This could be your person na iniisip niya na may pinaglalaanan lang siya sa ngayon, pero parang pinag-iisipan niya kung, maybe having crossroads, kung ito ba ibibigay ko sa'yo, invest ko sa'yo or what, or maybe that could be his or her time na iniisip niya kung ibibigay niya ba dito uh, sa bagay na ito or sa sitwasyon na ito or sa niya ibibigay itong time na to, etc. And this is your person already thinking na gusto niyang, gusto niyang i-offer sa'yo yun. Mas more on yung kagustuhan niya na i-offer sa'yo. Siguro doon sa isa, maybe mas more on yung hiya or kasi nakapag-commit na siya, etc. Tell me about this, please. Spiritualized angel, guys. Please tell me. Eight of coins is here. This person is really thinking of you. Two of cups. Gusto niya talaga magkaroon ng relasyon sa'yo. Gusto ka talaga niya. And nakikita niya lang yung pera as a way para mas malapit siya sa'yo. If this is not money, maybe yung career, yung pinag-uusapan natin, maybe this is your katrabaho, or gusto niyang, if self-employed or businessman, businesswoman, so gusto niya ng partnership, etc. This person is a soulmate. Masyado siyang mabait. Mabait na nga siya sa ibang tao pero mas more on yung kabaitan niya pag ikaw. Kasi, alam mo yun, Five of Swords is here. So, it's like this person, gusto niya nagkaroon na siya ng big change sa buhay niya And, hindi na siya katulad noon when it comes to relationship, when it comes to thinking about relationship. Medyo na iba yung mindset nitong taong to. Pagdating sa relasyon, pagdating sa buhay, medyo nagkaroon ng iba. There's this hermit, so this could be a Virgo. You could be dealing with a Virgo. Or, okay lang kahit hindi, maybe meron siya Virgo sa kanyang chart. So, in the future, this person, gusto niyang gawin yung mga bagay na hindi niya akalain na gagawin niya. Or, maybe this person is waiting for something to happen. Maaaring noon, siya mismo sarado ang utak, sarado ang isip. But anyway, ngayon iba na. What will happen in the future between the two of you? In the near future for the two of you. Knight of Wands is here. Three of Wands. And the Palace of Wands. I feel like this person in the near future is thinking about traveling. So, nag-iisip itong person na ito to travel. And maybe ikaw din may has something to do with pagta-travel. But anyway, pwede namang hindi, walang kinalaman yun sa kanya. But yung iba pwedeng bakasyon, may kinalaman sa career. It could be anything actually. But I can see success sa'yo. But you do over the Ten of Wands and the Three of Swords. Why I feel like someone in the past is nasasaktan? Could be a past person or there's a person here na nasasaktan. You are being successful, you're being happy. Pero someone's heart is in pain right here. Sobrang nasasaktan siya in the near future. Because there's a possibility of a reconciliation or pagkikita with someone. So, itong person na to is pwedeng someone na malayo and pwedeng may new beginning regarding dito sa bagay na to. And itong person na to, hindi niya matago yung emotion niya na siya ay nasasaktan. So, you have a decision to make. But, actually for now, hindi yung decision na yun yung nasa isip mo. Yung you have this judgment. You already knew what is happening. Kung anong meron sa'yo, kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo, sa inyo, sa connection mo with your person, pwedeng alam mo na yon. Ngayon, may decision ka na kailangan gawin in the near future regarding that. So, nagkaroon ng butas para makapasok itong person na ito sa buhay mo, the new person. So, yeah, ngayon itong person na ito is watching you, waiting for you, and waiting for the right time kung kailan siya susugod. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.